Hi guys! Mag-aaral tayo. Kain din. Mabaalis mo. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9, 18. 3 times 1, actually. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 20. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 10, 30. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 10, 20. 2 times... 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 7, 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 7, 12. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 10, 20.
By constituting our people and by legal rights, protect our interests and preserve our facilities. And as we build our defense capabilities, so shall we continue to invest in
Okay, game na.
commitment to assets and challenges
Kailan
remain
naman,
a
3.
core element
2
of
times.
our foreign policy. At the same time, we shall strengthen our alliance with the United States and our strategic partnership with Australia.
3 times 3, 3 times 1.
All the other member states of Africa.
Not funny. Game. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 2 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 16. 3 times 18. 3 times 7, 20. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9, 27. No, 22 times. Ay, 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. Ganon. Buwan. So, break. Blim blim. Ano natin to sa YouTube? Yes. Yes. Ay, hindi. Lemon, lemon. 2 times? Huh? Next.
Let us begin by realizing the vision set for us by years past. In 1976, 5 leaders in Southeast Asia, including my father,
Kaya kami guys nag-aaral na pa-multiplication ko ni mama na hindi namin alam. Also guys, RRs. Naka 0.5. Tara dito ba? Yung picture tayo. Hawak ka mo.
There's no wonder that the 54 parties from all regions of the world, many of which are represented in this dialogue. From now, see this is
Yan 0.5. Bigyan hawakan mo.
their desire to be
Kailangan hawak ka mo.
This is that all stakeholders in the future
Taas mo pa kasi.
are committed to peace. It's time for parties to consider how this treaty can help address the geopolitical and geoeconomic issues facing the region.
Bawang.
The looming challenges
Bawang. Mamaya muna.
to the street
Next, ano naman?
to this noble
Ni
cause and the principles of peace.
3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. 2 times 9, 27. 3 times 10 equals 30.
Should transcend geopolitics.
Oh.
Work to strengthen global unity This requires active leaders in the heart
What
and
are
in
you
power.
do?
Set the capacities across political
Ikaw.
and ideological lines.
Ikaw
Force
maglilinis.
genuine consensus. And
Wala
lead
mo?
credible efforts for decisive multilateral solutions. I'm proud of the Philippines' effort to build bridges on issues ranging from
Smart
climate
way.
action to development, not
Today ba mo
for
mama?
sustainable development and for global health cooperation. You know, our multilateral engagements seek to bridge global conversations
Nga.
regional perspective. Just as Indo-Pacific states must determine our own destiny, so too must we be active participants in charting the future
Oh,
of
yeah.
the world. We must shape the way. We must build those bridges. It is in this context that we are actively seeking to amplify Indo-Pacific voices and responses global conversations
Uy, mag-ano
on
ka
issues
niya?
of legal and
Takaw mo.
governance systems. We would
Ka dyan.
likewise seek regional consensus
Siyempre.
regarding the development of norms of responsible behavior in outer space and in science. We'll bring our experience as a trusted partner, credible pathfinder, and committed
Ilago mo yung
elected to the United Nations
Bus niya.
Security Council for the term of 2027.
Dok lang, pag-aanhan ko pa yan.
Our country has come a long way. Painstaking, often difficult, steady journey towards the fulfillment of our people's aspirations. Despite daunting
3 times 1, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 5, 15, 3 times 6, 18, 3 times 7, 12, 21, 3 times 8, 24, 3 times 9, 27, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 6, 12, 2 times 7, 14, 2 times 8, 16, 2 times 9, 18, 2 times 10, 20. Penge! Penge na. Ayoko, kung kumagat ka lang malaki. Ikaw, malaki din sa'yo, akin maliit. Game, penge. Uy, madaya! Ha? Akin ito. Iwan ko nga. Sa akin ko, ako kumuha. Okay. Wag. Sorry. Buli mamon kan. 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. Nakaganto naman. Okay. Dito mo. Ben. 2 times 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 pala 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 14? Oo. 2 times, 2 times 8 equals 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 10 equals 2 times 10, 20. Yung 3 naman. Okay. Game. 3 naman, guys. Wait lang. Ako muna. 2 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals... Game. Tara na. Bili. Hindi mo ako sa alam eh. Ha? Game. Kasi... Biglang ko eh. Oh, okay. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6, diba? Wait lang kasi. Yung bilisan mo na. Inom lang ako tubig. Kayo. Hindi ako natatakot eh. Ang bawang. Game na. Wala pa. Ikaw nga, iniintay kita eh. Okay na. Uy, asan ka na? Asan na?
principle. First, mutual respect. Second, consistency.
Ayan guys, tinaguan niya ako. Game. Ay, takpan na. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. Ay, wala tayo sa 2. 3 times 1 equals 2. 3 times 1 equals 3. Game. 3 times 1 equals 2. Naamal ang boses mo. Naamal mo kasi. Game. 3 times... Inaan mo kasi. Bunga. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 3 times 4 equals 12 pala. 3 times 5 4 equals ano? 3 times nga. 3 times 1 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 2 times 3 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times...
The Philippines,
Ayoko na nga. Tumatawa ko eh. Ayoko na. Game. Isusumbong pa tayo. Keyword ko pa ito. Game. 3 times 1 equals 2. True. Drive true. Bukas makbang Jollibee. 3 times 1 equals 3. Tama naman tayo eh. 3 times 3 times 1 3 go. 3 times 1 equals ayoko na. Umayos ka. Bye guys. Bye na ba? Bye. Bye na ba? Bye bye guys.